Hello guys. This phone was brought in completely dead, and this is iPhone 7 Plus. I've checked a couple of things, and now I've concluded that the USB-IC is the problem because when you connect the phone to power supply, there's jumping current ranging from 100 milliamps to 200 milliamps, and it keeps changing randomly, so the figures changing randomly. This is a common symptoms when USB-IC fail. And you see, USB-IC, many people call USB-IC charging IC. USB-IC is not the charging IC. There is a charging IC and there is USB-IC. But USB-IC control charging IC. If USB-IC is not good, phone may not be charging, or you may experience slow charging or different kind of issue. And then if USB-IC is not good, if you connect your phone to computer, it will not be detected by the computer. So, and sometimes if the USB-IC is not good, the phone will not turn on at all, or it may turn on and just hang on Apple logo. It will not boot past that stage. So now I've removed the IC and cleaning the solder pad. To clean the solder pad, you have to be very careful because it's a very small space, and you don't want to mess up with the surrounding component. It can prolong your repair process or just mess up completely with your repair by causing another problem entirely. So now I've cleaned the solder pad. I want to replace a new USB-IC. You see, I've the USB-IC in stock because it's a very common problem. So I have them, a lot of them in stock. If you are a technician and you need those ICs, you can hit me up. So this is the new USB-IC. You don't need too much air to solder it, because if there's too much air, the air can blow away the IC, and you don't want that. So you need a little bit of airflow, then little amount of solder flux. The IC is soldered now, so I need to cool down the motherboard before I test it. The board is still very hot and need to cool down. So the board is cooled down enough now, and now I can put it back inside the casing. So I connect my power supply and see if the symptoms is gone, and yes, the symptoms is gone. The phone has returned to normal. So now I have to connect the screen and see if I have display on the screen. And yes, the phone is live. It's back live. The phone is working now. But the phone does not boot past the Apple logo. But based on what I have on the power supply, the reading, so the phone is taking around 300 milliamps. That tells me the phone have firmware problem, that is software issue, which need to be reflashed. Flashing a new firmware will solve the problem. I try retaining user data, and that fail, so I have to try clean flashing, which will format all the user data, and the one is working. So now the phone has been flashed successfully. So you see, the phone is working now. The phone was detected by computer, and the phone is charging, and everything is working now. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.